Jamaat Khana Mosque. Which are the name I said that? Which are the? Allah, Alai Darwaja, Alai Darwaja, and I said that Alauddin Khilji. Nearby I said that Qutub Minar as a gate for Qutbul Islam Mosque. And I said that उसको कुतिया जो मैर थे उसको क्या किया, हौज में खास थी तो हौज में बात है, they have taken bath. उसके बाद they have taken to the हजार सैलून. एंड उसके बाद मेरी वाइफ भी मेरे जो एक छोटा सा एक मेरा लासा था 1500 में यहाँ पे करोल बाग में लाती तो उसकी सैलून कराने के लिए. मैंने बोला क्यों, बिना मतलब का. सो उसके बाद इट लुक्स लाइक समथिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ. सो आई सेड महल हजार सैलून एंड देयर इज आई सेड दैट जमाते खाना, फिर जम कर खाना. कैन यू रिमेंबर? So these are the, I said that Alauddin Khilji, and better to say Khilji dynasty architecture. Khilji dynasty, which are the famous Khilji dynasty architecture? Alai Darwaja, Hauj Khas, Mahal Hajar Saloon, and Jamaat Khana. Understood it? And he was also called himself as an I said. So ये mosque दिख रहा है आपको? This is I said that what? Alai Darwaja. And ये क्या है आपका? जमात खाना mosque. और एक जो है ये श्री फोर्ट, सुने आपने श्री फोर्ट स्टेडियम? अरे दिल्ली में श्री फोर्ट स्टेडियम सुना है? ये पहले का श्री फोर्ट है. This is I said that city means where there I said that Alauddin Khilji का शहर कौन सा था in Delhi. Delhi means this is not the Delhi. This is I said that it is later on it has been occupied. I said Siri Fort. So only Delhi was I said that for that purpose. That is I said that Siri Fort is one of the city developed by whom? Alauddin, and fort structure. It is in a Siri Fort. Understood it? Yes. Who has done this Siri Fort? Alauddin Khilji. Is it clear to you? Now the next one that we have to see it is about Tughlaq dynasty. Which one I said that? Shall I remove? So we have seen I said that simple सा हमने बोला Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji 1290 to 1320. And then we have been able to see Jalaluddin Khilji. He was I said that secular. He said that it should not be Islamic state because the maximum number of people of this region is Hindu. And thereafter he sent one of the his nephew Alauddin Khilji to the Yadwas of Devgiri. Yes or not? And then he also got married of his daughter with the Ulugh Khan. और इसने भी अपनी उन्हीं की daughter से जलालुद्दीन खिलजी की daughter से शादी था. Therefore he was also son-in-law. Understood? After winning the Yadwas of Devgiri and he became more powerful. And he killed Jalaluddin Khilji.